Hey, what's up everyone? We are at MediaTech Houston, and today we're going to give you a tour of this awesome campus. First thing is the library and testing center. Let's go. So in the library and testing center, this is the place where students can get extra knowledge with books and also online learning. Let's go visit one of my favorite spots, the break room. Here, the students can gain beverages and snacks. They also have foosball and video games in addition to watching TV. So after break, it's nothing like editing some compositions. Let's go to the editing suite. The editing suite contains a Digi-003 with speakers and programs that allow you to edit audio and video. We also have the Whisper Room, where students can get ADR done and also Foley with our Foley materials. Now, let's go to the film studio. Here in the film locker, we have tons of equipment for students to check out. They have JVC cameras as well as Blackmagic cameras. So here in the film studio, students have access to the Psych Wall green screen. They also have access to the Fisher Dolly. Next, let's visit one of the classrooms. Here in Classroom 3, we have all Apple computers running the Adobe Creative Suite for animation and film students so they can get their work done. So next is the Velvet Room. Let's go. So we have more classrooms, intimate settings. Here in the Velvet Room, this room has a home production suite feel to it. In this suite, they're running Avid Pro Tools with the Avid Artist Control. So next is Live Sound. So here in Live Sound, students get to learn both the digital console and the analog console. Here we have the Behringer X32, while on the analog side, we have a Mackie. Teaching them the analog system as well as the power system allows our students to enhance their knowledge in the live sound arena. Next, let's go visit the Built to Record studios. So here in the Gold Room, we have the D-Control, the mothership of DigiDesign technology. Also in this studio, it is set up for theater style with surround sound. Next up is the Purple Room. Let's check it out. So in the Purple Room, we have the C24 control surface as well as the MPC 4000, a classic drum machine in the hip hop world. We also have MIDI controllers, making this the most amazing production suite in the building. Next up is the Gray Room. So here in the Gray Room, we have the SSL 4000G. This console actually mixed Star Wars Episode 1. So in addition to the console, we also have cool analog gear, compressors and EQs, reverb that brings your sound to the next level. Let's look at this amazing tracking room. This room has a historic and southern feel, emblematic of the city of Houston. Next up is the Green Room. Let's check it out. Here in the Green Room, it is equipped with the SSL AWS 900. In addition, you have the SL Logic Rack, an amazing piece of gear to make amazing music. Thank you for touring MediaTech Houston. Be sure to check out our animation, recording art, and film programs. Go to www.mediatech.edu and ask to speak with our admission representatives.